In this video, I'll show you how to change your trusted or registered devices in the Wise app. First, open the Wise app and log in on the phone you're using right now. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or name in the top corner, then go to Settings or Account/Security depending on your version of the app. Next, look for something like Devices, Trusted Devices, or Active Sessions. Tap it and you'll see a list of phones, tablets, or browsers that are currently logged in to your Wise account. This is where you manage which devices are trusted. To remove a device you don't use or don't recognize, tap on it and choose Remove, Log Out, or End Session. This will stop that device from accessing your Wise account until someone logs in again with your password and security checks. If you've changed phones, just log in on your new device and complete any SMS, email, or app verification. Wise will then treat that as a new trusted device, and you can safely remove the old one from the list. If you ever see a device you don't recognize, remove it immediately, and then change your password and check your security settings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.